Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is another episode of Under 30 Minutes. Kung Pao chicken is a very common dish in Chinese restaurants, but today we're going to put a twist into the dish by using prawns. Can you see? Yeah, prawns. So first of all, we are going to mix the sauce first. The light sauce. Vinegar, sesame oil, dark soy sauce, brown sugar, Chinese wine, some homemade chicken stock, and lastly, the cornstarch. And make sure you mix well. Once it's done, you set aside for later use. Okay, next we will cut some of this bell pepper. You cut it into half first, and quarter, and you remove the seed. Next, you just slice them. And you set aside. Then onions, cut in quarter. And the ginger, slice off the skin. And slice them into pieces like this. And the spring onions, just chop them up. Okay. Next, we prepare the prawns. I like to keep the head and the tail because I think it's good for the taste. Just trim away and you peel off. Okay, next you devein. Remove this. Okay, now you're ready to do the cooking. Okay, heat up your pan. Pour in the oil. Make sure the oil is hot. All this to one. Okay. The oil is hot. So now you put in the ginger. Give a quick stir. Next you add in the onions. And the scallion. Fry until it's fragrant. Next you add in the dry chili. I like to cut it a bit so that the heat comes out of it. You have to cook it longer so that it's more aromatic. You'll add in a little bit of the Sichuan peppercorn to give it a numbness, but if you don't like it, then you just don't need to add it in. Next we add in the bell pepper. Okay, now we add in the prawns. And we stir until it changes colors. See, it's changing some color now. It's red. It's turning red. color is something like that, then you just add in some Kung Pao sauce. You keep stirring until the sauce is thickened. Simmer for a while. Make sure your prawns are well coated with the sauce. Okay. Lastly, you add in the peanuts. See that the sauce is thickening. See? Okay. So now the dish is ready to be served.
Thank you for watching this episode of Under 30 Minutes. If you want the full recipe, it is on our website, link in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe and turn on post notifications to stay tuned for our next few episodes. Bye!